Hello and welcome back to LibreCAD tutorial channel. Today we will learn how to draw a padlock in LibreCAD. Okay, let me start to draw. Please open your LibreCAD application, and for the first time, please activate some snap functions. There are free snap, snap on endpoints, snap center, snap middle, and snap intersection. Okay, let me start to draw with a circle. Okay, draw the first circle. Select circle center point, and then I want to draw this small circle. Okay, left click for the to start to draw at anywhere on your screen. Now go to the command line box at the right side on the bottom side and type the radius. Okay, where is the radius? Okay, the diameter is 27.5, so the radius will be a half of 27.5. Just type 27.5 divide by 2 and press enter. Okay, we got the circle. Right click to escape. Okay, next I think we should draw a horizontal line. Select horizontal line and type the length 200 maybe, and select snap point middle. Left click at the center of our circle. Okay, now draw a vertical line. Select vertical and type the length 200, middle points 1. Select snap point middle. Left click at the center of our circle. Right click to escape. Now I want to change the line type over the horizontal and vertical lines. Okay, select lines and select attributes and change the line type into .tiny and click OK. Okay, now next I want to start to draw this part. Okay, first draw the small circle at the bottom side. The diameter for the circle is 7. R is 7. Okay. Oh no, diameter. Sorry. R it means radius. Radius is 7. Sorry. Okay, select circle and circle center radius and type for the radius 7. Okay, left click at the bottom side of our vertical line. Okay, right click to escape. Now draw this I think it's vertical line, 2 vertical lines. Okay, select vertical and type for the length vertical lines 22.5. Select snap point start and left click at the position at the left side and right side of the circle. Okay, right click to escape. And now okay. Select trim tool. I want to extend this vertical line, and then select the circle and select the line to extend the line to the circle like this. Right click to escape, right click again, and then select horizontal line. Left select type the length for the horizontal 100 and select snap point middle. Okay, and left click at the point at the intersect line and the circle. Right click to escape. Now select the shape, the bottom side, select move or copy, left click at the reference point at the top of this vertical line and bring the shape into the position like this. Okay, at the intersect. Okay, select delete original, click OK. Press ESC or escape on your keyboard. And now delete this line. And then I think I want to delete this line also. Select the line, select mirror tool, and mirror the line. Left click for the first point of mirror line and left click for the second point of mirror line. Select keep original, click OK. Okay. Now time to use divide tool. Select divide, left click at the circle, left click at the point, left click again at the circle, and left click at the point. Right click to escape. Now delete the unnecessary part and press delete on the keyboard. Okay, I think I want to create this line. First select the circle, select copy, left click at the reference point, and then select paste and left click at the reference point like this. Okay, right click to escape. Now select divide tool, select divide, left click at the circle, left click at the point, and then left click again at the circle and left click at the point like this. Right click to escape. Now delete the unnecessary parts. Okay, select again the circle. Yes, there are two circles, and then select the other. Okay, and then select attributes and select and change the line type into .t. Click OK. Okay, we got the shape for now. Okay, next. Okay, I think we should create this circle, a big circle, but the center point of the big circle is 6.5 to the bottom side from the center of our small circle there. Okay, select vertical, and type the distance. The distance is 6.5 and select snap point and middle points 1, and then left click at the center of our small circle. Okay, right click to escape. Can you see the line? Okay, and then select circle center radius and type for the radius. The radius is 68. Okay, type the radius 68 and left click at the point at the bottom side of our short line we have created before. Okay, right click to escape. Now delete the short line. Okay, for now I want to draw yeah, I think this part. Okay, first create this distance. The distance is 54. Okay, select line vertical and type the length 54. Select snap point, start, middle points 1. Left click at the center of our circle we have created before, maybe there. Okay, yes, can you see the line? Okay, and then create the circle. The circle radius is 53. I want to create a circle outside the object. Select circle center radius and type for the radius 53. Okay, left click, right click to escape. Now select the circle we have created before and select move for copy tool. Left click at the reference point at the top side of our circle and bring the circle into the position at the end of or the top of our line we have created before. Select delete original and click OK. Press C or escape on your keyboard. Now delete this helping line. Oh, yes. Okay, next I want to create this part. Okay, we have the data. The radius for the circle is 34. So select circle and select circle center radius, type the radius 34 and left click at the point. Okay, this point of right click to escape. Okay, now select trim tool. Oh, sorry, not 14. Right click to escape. Okay, now yeah, I think we should create a horizontal line. Select horizontal and type for the length 100. Select snap point middle, left click at the center of the line like this. Right click to escape. Okay, I want to change the line type. Select the line, select attributes and change the line type dot ini. Click OK. Okay, for now yeah, I think we should create this shape. Use parallel line, select parallel line tool and type the distance 20 and number 1, middle points 1. Left click near the circle like this. Okay, right click to escape. Oh, I think we should use length 10. Select length 10 and type for the length. I want to extend this line. Okay, select the length, type the length maybe 50. Left click at the circle to extend the line. Left click again at the circle to extend the line. Right click to escape. Okay, now time to use our lovely tool. Select trim tool. Left click at the line. Left click at the circle. Oh, maybe there. Okay. Left click again the circle. Okay. Right click to escape. Right click again. Okay, now time to use vertical line. Select vertical, type the length 100. Okay, it's the point and okay, left click at the point like this. Okay, yes. Right click to escape. Now select divide tool. Select the circle, left click at the point, select the circle again and left click at the point. Okay, select again the circle at the outside circle. Left click at the circle, left click at the point, left click at the circle and left click at the point. Right click to escape. No, wow. It is a big problem. Okay, I think we should use, yes, trim tool. Select trim, left click at the part of the circle, left click at the line, left click again. Oh no, right click again, right click, select again, trim tool, left click at the cutter line or the shape or the arch, and left click at the line we want to trim, right click to escape, right click again. Now select again, trim tool, sorry, left click at the circle there, left click at the line, left click again at the line, okay, right click to escape, right click again. Okay, now I want to remove this part. Oh, we have to select the part of the circle and press delete on the keyboard. Okay, yes, I think I want to change this part. Select the part and select attributes, change the line type into .tiny, click OK. Yeah, we got it. Okay, I think it was done. Okay, okay, yes, no, but now time to give dimension, I think. But I want to create a single layer for special for dimension. Okay, just click the button add a layer and type the name dimension dim, select color for dimension maybe blue, select width 0.3. Okay, select line type maybe .tiny, click OK. Okay, we start from the vertical dimension, select vertical, left click, okay, and then left click at the point. Yes, we got the dimension for vertical 22.5. Next, for the vertical, select again vertical. Okay, at the center of our drawing and the center of our big circle there. Okay, 6.5. Okay, we got the number. Now select the center of this circle there at the end or the edge. Yes, okay, we got the number 54. So okay, right click. Now time to use radial or radius, select radial, left click. Okay, we got the number, left click again. Yes. Oh, okay, I think we should use diameter. Okay, select diametric, left click. Okay, we got the diameter. We can move the number into the best position. Okay, next I want to use radial again. Yes, 34. Okay. Okay, next radial, select radial, and then left click at the circle, next circle. Yes, okay. Okay, now select horizontal, left click, okay. Yes, now. Oh, I think the dimension is too small. Oh, so right click. Okay, select current drawing preferences. Open tab dimension and change the text height into 4 maybe. Line gap into 1, offset 2, enlarge 2, arrow size 4. Okay, change the angular precision into 20 behind the point, click OK. Yes, we got the best position for now. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you for watching our video in LibreCAD tutorial channel. I hope you enjoy and subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to help us improve our channel. Thank you very much. Bye. See you in next video.